He's surrounded by Brits, isn't he? Isaac Towers, Ben Rowlings and Shaun White and Bojan MITIC, who himself picked up bronze here already over 100 metres behind Henry MANNI, who won silver. There he is out in lane 5. Shaun White, the 21-year-old from Sutton District Athletic Club in South London. Bojan MITIC, bronze in the 100, took up the sport back in 1996. Ben Rowlings, he just missed out, came fourth in that 100 metres, the 22-year-old from Shrewsbury. And there's Isaac Towers, bronze in the European Championships back in 2014. And just outside him, it's the great Henry MANNI of Finland. 3 British athletes in the men's 400 metres T34. So Towers of Great Britain in 3, MANNI of Finland in 4, Rowlings of Great Britain in 5, MITIC of Switzerland in 6, and White of Great Britain, the 3rd of the British racers, in lane 7. So a couple of seconds while they wait for the starter to get everything sorted. And we're ready to go. Ben Rowlings is ready to go. So is Isaac Towers. That's had a couple of hits, hasn't it? And out wide, Shaun White. He's ready to go as well. I'm sure both MITIC and MANNI are ready as well. Well, they've been asked to head off and take a warm-up lap.
They'll do a lap.
It's happened a couple of times today, where we saw it happen this morning in one of the wheelchair races earlier, where the athletes were held and held and held, and in the end they were just asked to go for a lap.
Now Shaun White is staying in lane 7. He's the youngest in the field. He's 20 years old, and everybody else is going round. And if I recall, the previous athlete to do that, stay in the lane when everyone else went round for the lap, ended up finishing last and was very, very rusty going into that decider. So White, actually, unless he feels he'd be overexerting himself, really ought to go out anyway.
Well, let's see what happened. Let's see if there's a correlation drawn between this morning and now.
Martina Willing, who's been winning major championship medals since the 1988 Seoul Paralympics. This is a seated javelin event. F56. And Willing, well, what a career she's had. 13 Paralympic medals, 3 of them gold. She's now 58 years old. Diana Dadzite of Latvia, who's already won gold in the discus here, and who's the reigning world champion in the shot discus and javelin. 3 golds for Latvia last year. This is the first event of the night. It's gone on for quite a while. It started at 5:30. And Dadzite looking to control this again. And she has. Dadzite with a serious throw, 26.36. That's a championship record. And Dadzite on the way to another gold medal for Latvia. It will be a second. Willing's in the silver medal position. Todorova of Bulgaria in the bronze.
Right, here we go, ready to go. We're only about 12 minutes late. Men's 400 metres T34. Isaac Towers will go from lane 3. One of 3 British athletes. Let's just reiterate that. Henry MANNI will go from 4, silver over the 100 metres here already. Ben Rowlings from 5, who was 4th in that 100. Bojan MITIC, who took the bronze. And Shaun White, who decided not to go for a warm-up lap when they were asked to. He is out in lane 7, you can see on the left of your screen. So they get away quite well, and Bojan MITIC has got away extremely well. He's already got up on the outside of Shaun White, the 21-year-old from South London, and MITIC is out to a lead of substantial quality. He's being chased there back on the inside by all 4, except for Shaun White, who's been left behind somewhat. MITIC there on the inside of him. It's Ben Rowlings, who was in 2nd place, but further inside him, it's Henry MANNI, who is there. Henry MANNI has now gone up into 1st place. He's overtaken both Rowlings and MITIC. So MANNI leads as they move round into the final 100 metres. Henry MANNI in the 400 metres T34 category. And MANNI picked up silver over 100 metres. It looks like he's going to pick up a gold medal. He does it that, 54.5. On the outside of him, it is Ben Rowlings who picks up the silver medal, but that 54.5 for Henry MANNI. He came into his own in the last 150 metres. Silver in the 100. It's now gold for MANNI with a new championship record of 54.40 seconds. Well, Shaun White was left behind straight away when Bojan MITIC went up on his outside. We said a little earlier that the athlete earlier this morning who decided not to go, I think it was David Scherer, who decided to stay still in the T54 category. He struggled. Shaun White struggled as well. He was overtaken straight away when MITIC went out. Ben Rowlings picked up the silver. There's MITIC on the outside in the white helmet and black shirt. Sandwiched between them is Rowlings. But it's the Finn MANNI who goes across. And I think MITIC has just managed to pick up the bronze medal there. That was tight. That was tight indeed. It was Isaac Towers who was... Oh, that is tight. I think he's got it though, MITIC. He'll make it a bronze over 100 and 400. But it was a tight finish indeed. One thing's for sure, Ben Rowlings picked up the silver. He was bronze in 2016, was Rowlings, so he's improved it by 1 medal this time around, taking the silver. But there is the man who's claimed the gold medal. Henry MANNI of Finland. Championship record 54.40. Ben